Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a incoming group swap. I hosted a Christmas ornament group swap with my New York City crafty chicas, and I am so beyond blessed by the talent. And they are people that I really look up to, and although because of what's going on and just stuff in general, we can't really be together. This is a way for us to stay connected and for us to spend some quality time together, sharing our works with one another. And I wanted to show you the ornaments that I received. I've already posted my video, and if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link down below. But the incoming just had me at wow. So I'm just going to go in the order that we open the presents. And I just want to show you this beautiful box. And this is from my girl, Wandy Sweets here on YouTube and Instagram. And I will leave information to all of their handles down below. Go check them out because they are obviously beyond just talented. And look at this box. All of the little details on this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm just gonna open this up, and here is Wanda's beautiful ornament. She's got all these beautiful layers, and she's blinged it, and she's taken a book from Josie's book with all of the beautiful bling. I sat down last night after we did our Zoom call, and I just looked through all of the beautiful creations my friend sent me, and I'm just beyond blessed. So this is Wanda, and it's just so beautiful. And I'm going to go hang these on my tree after we're done. Next up, we have is Dani. And when I opened this, I was just like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So this is a macrame angel, and I am dying to recreate one of these because this is the most prettiest, and honestly, it's simple but such a statement piece. I just love it so much. She's done such great work to this, and it is just stunning. I love it so much. It's so beautiful, and I just I don't know, just holding it. So that's Dani. Next up we have is Josie, and she is our in-house crafty bling queen. And if you haven't seen this mug before, she made this for my birthday, and I can't even use it. I kept it as is because I just look at it and I'm in awe. She hand does all of these little pieces, you guys. So she made an A for me, for Anne, and I'm just in awe with this gorgeous piece. I mean, I'm not sure what this looked before, but honey, she is sparkling on the tree, and I'm so thrilled. You are just an amazing person. And here's the box. She also created this little tag, and she personalized it, of course. It's a little sparkle at the end. And then I have my girl Olga, who is in Texas. She used to be a New Yorker, but we will make this work. And she created this shabalicious beauty, and she took some leftover velvet, pink velvet, and she created this gorgeous number. Honestly, it's so beautiful. And to be honest, we all stay true to our style, which I think is such a wonderful treat, because this does scream Olga. It has all of the little details on the side. I love this trim, and she added a brooch in each and every one of them. She has little pieces sticking out, some lace, and then she added the little pearl pieces to just give it a little bit of wow. And I just absolutely love it. Here is a little bit of the tag that it was wrapped with, our goodies. I'm not going to show you the goodies because they're all over the place. My friends are very generous, and I'm so beyond happy. And here is my hostess gift, which is a bar of chocolate. But isn't this the fanciest bar of chocolate you're ever going to get? Again, I'm so beyond blessed. And she put this, thank you for hosting, with this crinkle seam binding. I'm dying for this. And again, I will leave links to my pals, my very, 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 very talented friends who always brighten my day and seriously fill me up with so much inspiration, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.